Alright, Peter, I got your quad. This is the hyperlow CG. Awesome looking frame. Super low profile. It's supposed to be like 15 millimeters, I think, tall. Pretty awesome. So this is, I guess, bus style. True X. You got your GoPro couch. Pretty sweet. It's printed and it's really high quality, really nice. It's got the standoffs going through it. You got the cam mount, it's printed as well. I've built one of these before for another guy, and it had the same camera mounting in the front. And it's just awesome. It's TPU and it's just like really thick and stiff and just really tough looking. I mean, you can tell that it's gonna take a beating. And really good camera protection. So let's go through the parts. You got your hypetrain botgrinders, spedix 30 amps, Josh Bardwell f4. You got your rotorriot v2 camera. You got your tramp VTX. Your pagoda antenna. You got your RXSR in there. Bind button through the top there. And yeah, I'm going to test fly this thing for you. I don't have XT60 batteries, but I just made a little lead to use one of these. So let me get that on here and we will do a little test hover. We'll check the video feed and I'll get this sent back to you. Alright.
I draw a wonderful picture, right?
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, that's pretty. Pretty picture. You're drawing SpongeBob and Patrick and a Christmas tree?
Yeah, because it's Christmas on their ear.
Okay. Cool.
And I draw Patrick like that.
Okay. Sounds good. Alright, should be good to go. So I already got it bound up to my radio. Let's get this set up. Anybody remember this area? This is where I used to always test my quads. That's how I got booted out of here. Alright. Here we go. Oh yeah. Ooh, this thing's got some punch. Fruit punch. Nice and smooth. Nice. Alright, let's check the video real quick and call it good.
Nice video, Dad.
Thanks. You're so sweet.
I want to watch it. Can I watch it with you?
The video's not over yet, Alyssa.
Oh. Sorry, I didn't mean to talk.
That's okay. Alright. So I set up the... Oh, you know what? I didn't turn on the auxiliary in the receiver channel. I mean the receiver tab. I got your voltage and a timer and RSSI across the bottom. And then you can see the settings for the camera are still on, so I can turn that off for you, or you can turn it off or whatever. I don't know if you want to use that or the Betaflight OSD, but you can see it looking good. I'll actually let me bring it over here and I'll arm it, and we'll see, make sure the video still looks good while it's armed. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. Cool. Looks good. So, yeah. Thanks, Peter, for letting me build this for you. And you can have these ugly ass props if you want them. They seem to be pretty good. They're kind of old school, but work just fine. Alright, I'll be shipping this out. I might be able to get it out today. It is still early, so see if I can do that, and I'll send you over some tracking. I think I covered everything, so yeah. Alright.